back at video. I'm planning on changing to see if I got a spare RAM, a 15-inch RAM that I'm going to try on a GOAT to see if we can get some more drag radios. And I got a little surprise coming to you after I finish doing this. I'm going to try the RAM on, and we have a new vehicle that's joining the channel, and I'm going to introduce that new vehicle to you. So, but for now, I'm just going to start it up and see if it'll start up, and then I'm going to get to jacking the car up and checking out the rim and see if the rim fit before I actually purchase the tires. All right. Okay, show you the wheel that I got, the 15-inch wheel. It's just a piece of crap wheel right now, but if it works, if it fits my car, then I'm gonna get a good drag radio on it and paint it up. This is the wheel. Just like I said, nothing spectacular about it. Kind of looks like a rally wheel. I think it's a 7-inch wide wheel. Let's see here. Yeah, it's a 7-inch wide wheel. I did some research, and people are saying that you can get a 275 on a 7-inch wide wheel. A lot of people have been running it and haven't had any issues. So I'm going to go ahead and get started on seeing if it'll fit. Okay, you see that's why I test things out, because this wheel doesn't work. And I have a lot of other ones to try. I just don't have them with me right now. But what I'm going to do to make it easier on me is I'm going to measure from center to center and see what I need to have. Alright, looks like I need 2.75 from center to center, and the wheel that I have is about 3.5 from center to center. So, guess I gotta try some more wheels and see if they'll work. You know, what you've been waiting for is, yes, I picked up a new vehicle. It's a 2007 SRT8 Jeep, the all-wheel drive ones. So the GTO is not going away. I just need to get something else on my channel to, that I want to play around with, and I always liked Chryslers and Dodge, especially the Challengers and stuff. So I'm a little tired now. But I always liked the Jeep for some reason. I wasn't too thrilled about the Trailblazer SS, but I always liked the Jeep. So I picked up one. It needs some work. Got it from an auction, and so what you're going to see on my channel is you're going to see me actually rebuilding that one and getting it up and going. So got a little video of a walk around. I looked at it. Just didn't really have much time to work on it today, but I did did a walk around to show you and open it up, and it's in pretty rough shape, so it's going to take a lot of work. So I'm going to get that going and get that on my channel so you can see the work that it takes for me to get that up and going. And it's going to be some GTO footage in between that. I just took a break from the GTO. Although, if you look at my other video, my starting issues, there's a guy that's been telling me what he thinks the problem is. It's my cam sensor. So I'm going to go and purchase a new cam sensor and check out the wiring and see if that solves my starting issues. So, alrighty, well, here you go with the video. Check out the SRT. Let me know what you think about it. Also, if you offer any help, suggestions with the SRT build, let me know. And here you go. Got the new vehicle for my channel, Jeep Cherokee SRT. It's in pretty rough shape right now. But gonna get it right. Take a look up under the hood. Car needs to be aired out. It's a flood car, so it's a lot of work that needs to be done to it. But this is a new vehicle on my channel. Just a little stuff I can play around with in between playing around with the GTO. More to come from the SRT. Okay, so that was just a quick walk around of the SRT Jeep that I have, and I'm gonna get started on it as soon as possible. Right now it was a previous flood vehicle, so what's going on with it now is the headlights come on when you switch it on. I found a little bit of oil, a little bit of water in the bottom of the oil pan, so I'm gonna have to drain all the oil out of that. Drain all the oil out of it. I haven't tried to start it yet because I need to make sure that there's no water in the cylinders. But so far, it looks like the water got in it pretty high. So I'm gonna get that going, try to get it going. I'm gonna drain the oil out of it and see how bad the engine part is and get started on that build. Alright, stay tuned for my channel. Subscribe, click like if you're interested in seeing the SRT project.